I heard a joke recently. Person A says, I heard Cisco is buying Splunk for $20 billion. Person B says, are they buying the company or are they just renegotiating their enterprise license agreement? It's funny because it's true. All of us spend way the heck too much on logging. And that's not a Splunk-specific problem. It's true of every single logging tool out there. But it isn't their fault. They charge based on usage. They have to collect the data, ingest it, index it, store it. And sadly, hardly any of that data is ever getting queried. The problem, just like with metrics, is that we don't implement good controls on what we log. It not only creates cost for logging tools, it also completely pollutes the network with a bunch of nonsense going across the wire. One of our customers is using Shoreline's distributed execution to filter logs at the source. Most of their logs, just like probably most of your logs, are HTTP messages. And there's really no reason to store anything other than 400s and 500s that show that something has gone wrong. Why do you need to store the messages that say, okay, we got a great response here? We expected to reduce the log volume by like 99% from 55 terabytes a day to less than 1. And since it runs on each node, because it's parallel and distributed, it efficiently scales with the nodes. You don't have to re-up just because you're going to, you added more capacity or something. You should really think about doing something similar. The easiest thing I've done in the past before Shoreline was just checking at least once a year and doing a spring cleaning and look for how much useless log messages am I collecting and having an intern each year to clean it up. That's at least an easy thing you can do without getting to complex stuff. This isn't a tools problem. It's a how we operate our tools problem.